Let me show you how to work a single crochet stitch. This stitch is abbreviated SC in your pattern, and that stands for single crochet. So we are starting here with a loop on our hook. We will put the hook through this next stitch or the stitch indicated in the pattern. Then you wrap the working yarn around your hook from the back to the front and then pull it through the stitch. Make sure to push it up to the full width of your crochet hook. You now have 2 loops here on your hook. You again wrap the working yarn from the back to the front around your hook and pull it through both your 2 loops on your hook. And that is your single crochet stitch. Let's work one more here together. You go through the stitch, wrap the working yarn around your hook and pull through. Yarn around your hook from the back to the front and pull through both the 2 loops on your hook. So there you have your single crochet stitch.